Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. So here we will study about surface areas and volumes of three-dimensional figures. So what are three-dimensional figures? Three-dimensional figures are the figure which have three edges, that is length, breadth and height. So first of all we will study about cuboid and cube. So these two are the three-dimensional figure and we have to study about the surface area and volume. So first of all cuboid. Here in cuboid it have three sides, that is length, breadth and height. So first of all curved surface area or lateral surface area. So curved surface area and lateral surface area are same thing, and area of four walls. So here the formula for curved surface area, lateral surface area and area of four walls of a cuboid will be given by formula 2 into L plus B into H. Then total surface area of cuboid, it will be given by the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, where L means length, B means breadth and H means height. And finally volume of cuboid. So what is volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid will be given by the formula L into B into H. So all the questions which are related to cuboid, they will be solved by using these formula. Now after this, see cube. So what is cube? Cube is a type of figure which have, it is a three-dimensional figure and it have all the three edges are equal. So here we have three edges and all the three edges will be equal. So in this total number of edges will be, we can count by this. So 12 edges are there and here three sides, if we take here 3, all the edges are equal. So here curved surface area of cube. So curved surface area of cube will be given by formula 4a square, where a is edges of the cube, and total surface area of cube, it will be 6a square. And volume of cube, so here volume of cube, it will given by formula a cube. So a cube is the volume of cube. So by using these formula we can find surface area, to curved surface area, total surface area and volume of cube. Now on the basis of this formula we can do our exercise 13.1, and in 13.1 exercise we have to find surface area, lateral surface area, curved surface area of cube and cuboid. So in exercise 13.1, so in exercise 13.1, see question number 1. In question number 1 we have given a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine first the area of sheet required for making the box, and second the cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. So here we have to find area of a box and which is open at the top. So if box is open at the top, that means it consists of only 5 faces. So first of all we have given in a cuboidal box length equals to 1.5 meter, breadth equals to 1.25 meter and height equals to 65 centimeter. So first of all we will convert this centimeter into meter, dividing by 100, so it will be 0.65 meter. Now first of all we have to find the area of the sheet required for making the box. So in this we have to use the formula total surface area minus area of rectangle. Why we are subtracting this area of rectangle? Because it is open at the top and area of top surface will be equal to area of rectangle, and here this rectangle will be equals to L into B because it is length and it is breadth. So we will subtract this area of rectangle. So here total surface area of cuboid minus area of rectangle. So formula for total surface area of cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL minus area of rectangle will be L into B. So here 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL minus L into B. Now here 2LB minus LB will be LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. Now here we will put the value of length, breadth and height. So here on place of L we can put 1.5, on place of B we can put 1.25. then plus 2 into, on place of B we can put 1.25, on place of H we can put 0.65 and plus 2 into HL. So 2 into, on place of H we can put 0.65 into L, on place of L we can put 1.5. Now solving it, so 1.5 into 1.25 will be 1.875, then plus 2 into 1.25 into 0.65, it will be 1.625, then plus 2 into 0.65 into 1.5, it will be 1.95. Now after this we can add all these, so 1.875 plus 1.625 plus 1.95, it will be equal to 5.45 meter square. So we can say that area of sheet will be equal to 5.45 meter square. Now after this we have to find the cost of sheet. So as we have given that cost of one sheet or equals to 20 rupees. So in second part we have given the cost of the sheet. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20, that means 1 meter square cost is rupees 20. So we have to find the cost of 5.45 meter. Therefore cost of sheet will be 5.45 into 20. It will be rupees 109. So it is the cost of sheet. Now after this, see next question. So question number 2 is also same, so you can try question number 2. Now after this, see question number 3. So in question number 3 we have given the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the wall at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, then find the height of hall. So in this question, first of all we have given a rectangular hall. So if it is a rectangular hall, that means it is a type of cuboidal hall, that means it is a cuboid, and in this cuboid this will be the floor of this floor. Okay, so this is the floor of this hall. So here we have given perimeter of rectangular floor equals to 250 meter. So here formula for perimeter of rectangular floor, it will be 2 into L plus B. So it is the formula for perimeter of rectangle, that is equals to 250 meters. So we can put this equation as equation number 1. Now after this we have given that the cost of painting the 4 walls, that means when we paint the 4 walls of this hall, then it will cost rupees, total cost will be rupees 15,000, and if it is costing at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square, that means if we are painting 1 meter square at rupees 10 and we are painting the total 4 walls at rupees 15,000. So by using this we can find area of 4 walls. So area of 4 walls will be equal to 15,000 upon 10. So 15,000 upon 10 will be 1500 meter square. That means the area of 4 walls will be equal to 1500 meter square. Now after this we can use the formula area of 4 walls. So area, formula for area of 4 walls will be 2 into L plus B into H, that is equal to 1500. Now here value of 2 into L plus B, that is equals to 250. So we can put on place of 2 into L plus B will be 250 from equation number 1. So 250 into H equals to 1500. So here finding value of H, it will be equal to 1500 upon 250. By cancelling it will be 6. So we can say that height of the hall will be equal to 6 meter. So 6 meter will be the answer. Now after this, the next question. So question number 4 is also same, so you can try question number 4 and 5. Now after this, see question number 6. So after this, see question number 6. In question number 6 we have a small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of glass panes, including the base held together with tape. So it is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high. So here we have to find first of all what is the area of glass, and second we have to find how much of the tape is needed for all the 12 edges. So first of all we have given a small greenhouse herbarium. So what is a greenhouse herbarium? It is made up of glass panes, and here all the 6 faces are made up of glass. So here first of all we have to find the area of glass. So a greenhouse herbarium is a type of object which is used to trap the heat. So in this greenhouse herbarium, it is in the shape of cuboid, where length is 30 centimeter, breadth is 25 centimeter, and height is 25 centimeter. So first of all we have to find the area of the glass. If all the 6 faces are of glass, so we have to find all the area of all these 6 faces. So it will find by the formula of total surface area of cuboid, that is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So in this formula we can put value of LB and H. So it will be 2, L into B it will be 30 into 25, plus B into H it will be 25 into 25, plus H into L it will be 25 into 30. So by solving it, 2 into 30 into 25 will be 750, 25 into 25 will be 625, and 25 into 30 will be 750. So 750 plus 625 plus 750, it will be 2125, it will be multiplied by 2, so it is equals to 4250. So 4250 centimeter square, this will be the area of glass panes. Now after this, in second part we have to find tape needed for all the 12 edges. So we have to put here tape on all these 12 edges. So when we put the tape, so here we have to find the length of tape. So length of tape will be equals to perimeter of cuboid. So what is perimeter of cuboid? It is 4 into L plus P plus H. So 4 into LBH we have given. So 30 plus 25 plus 25, it will be 4 into 80. So it is 320 centimeter. So 320 centimeter, it will be the length of tape which is required for this cuboid. Now on the basis of this question, you can also try remaining question of this exercise. So it's your homework, you have to complete remaining question of this exercise. On next session we will start next exercise, and in that exercise we will study about cylinder. We will study about total surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder, and volume of cylinder. So thank you for watching this video. All of you have a nice day.